Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 8th day of May 2025. We just got finished with the US closed live trading room, and we're going to show you one of the trades taken in the room today. Now, the trades for trade of the day are trades that have been taken either by myself or traders in the room. So here we go. The setup is this. We have a big, strong candle. We use this indicator every day almost on trade of the day. And that's telling me I got a really strong candle that I should be going short in this instance. And what was the reason for that? We look for multiple failures at a certain level. There is a Fibonacci reason for this failure. One of my favorite Fibonacci reasons for failure is a 76, 78 fib. Beautiful failure at that brick wall. We get a massive strong candle, which closes outside the range of the previous candle. And as usual, we're going to put a cover order on and see if we can run this back to the 50. Really back to this moving average, but see if we can poke its head through. So let's see how this goes. I look over here at PVI. I'm expecting the next candle to be anywhere from 60 to 80 ticks in length, which puts us down around this this 50 Fibonacci. So let's just see how it goes. We're going to put a cover order on, as we always do. Oh, wait a minute. First, we got to show you the ATM. All right. Two contracts at 16s, one contract at 31, and a second contract at 61. I add the extra tick onto each one to pay for the fees. So that's it. 16s, 30s, basically 15s, 30s, and 60s. So here we go. We're going to get an order on. Cover order goes just outside the range of the candle. And then we'll take off and see how we go. Boom, get picked up right away. First thing I gotta do is put my stop where it belongs. The last failure point's up here. And now we just wait and see what happens. First target's out, stop automatically comes. 30s are out now. That didn't take too long. Now, really, if I should move my third target before this 50 Fibonacci, but we'll just let it run and see how it actually does. That's a 60 tick target. I don't know. Maybe it'll reach over and grab our target. If not, we can control this with our stop. I don't want this to come back against me and get nothing. I've paid the 60s anyway. That was pretty quick. Wow. Okay, that trade was worth 605 US dollars and took less than 2 minutes to complete. So if you want to learn how to make 600 US dollars in less than 2 minutes, come join us in the US closed live trading when we trade together as a pack. We have a good time and we make money besides. So come and join us at Samurai Day Trading. God bless you and look forward to seeing you tomorrow.